Welcome, in front of me is a POCO F5 and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, we're going to simply pull down our toggles from the top right side of the device, and on one of the pages you will see a power saving mode. Now I don't see it on the first one, so I'm going to swipe to the side and we can see it right here. This is the default location of the toggles. So hopefully you can find your toggle in the same exact place. Once you do, simply tap on it. It will change the outline or the filling of it into this kind of orangish color to signify that it is right now enabled, and also your battery filling changes to the same color. And that's really all we get for the power saving mode. Now, one thing to keep in mind, power saving mode usually, I don't know if it does this here, tends to turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is in sleep mode, which this would be sleep mode. Now, if you're wondering why I'm mentioning this, it is because it will result in you either having delayed or no notifications being delivered to you at all. So if you, for instance, got a message on WhatsApp with this kind of, let's call it a feature, your notification about the message or the message itself wouldn't be delivered either at all or maybe for like 10-20 minutes, depending on how often the device syncs up the data to connect to a network. So it really depends. So I'm just mentioning that if you're experiencing this as a problem where mail fetching and stuff like that is just delayed or not really being delivered to you at all till you interact with the device, just know that this is the doing of your power saving mode. And obviously to fix it up, you just tap on the toggle once again to turn off the power saving mode. Now with this being said, hopefully you found this very helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.